Name your Apple TV. You first have to go to this screen. You have to use this part of your Apple remote, which is strange because it looks like these are the only buttons you have, but this is a touch screen right here. So you go ahead and you aim it toward the Apple TV and hit the middle, and that will select settings. Go to General, About, see where the name is. So I have already renamed, but all you have to do is you have to go over to the X button. So you would swipe over with your thumb, then X out of what you need to do. So if I was going to X out of the R, all right? So you X out of everything that's listed there, and then you just go ahead and you just swipe either up to go up, down to go down, sideways. Now I have to see how I've got to make it capital. So I'm going to swipe down here. I'm going to go back to R. I'm swiping across. So that's how I'm going to name my Apple TV. We put a, Jamie, what is this called right here?
Underscore?
Underscore. We put an underscore because we couldn't figure out how to make a blank space. And then now that I'm done and I have renamed, I just swipe down, hit done, and then hit menu to get out, hit menu again, and you're back to the beginning.
Let me see that remote. Can you aim that at the camera? So see on that remote, there is a, thank you, Vanna. There is a microphone. You can hold that and you can Siri your email address, password, anything, which makes life a little bit easier. So know at the top of that is just like a mouse, your pad on your Mac. So easy peasy. Good job, Vanna.